Back at you with another quick video. That is me in my shake and go wig. Yes, I'm getting comfortable with being uncomfortable, so go ahead, let me have it. Do your worst. I am pinning up the belt and the belt loops for the white jersey dress with the tartan or plaid pockets. As you can see, I'm here 7 nights a week, 8 o'clock Pacific Standard Time. That's West Coast time for those who may not know what PST means. Yeah. Didn't have anything else to do, so I'm thinking I might as well work, right? Actually, this is a segment of a video. My camcorder is kind of weird, so that's the dress. That's the belt and the belt loops I'm pinning up. The pockets are on another video, but yes, I have those as well. You will see those if you watch my channel. You can see me put together this whole drop. It's 4 pieces. They're all size 8. So if you like, come back. I've got more. Please like, comment, subscribe, share, or share and subscribe. I appreciate you. There they are, all pinned up, ready to go, with the fusible interfacing there. Thank you guys. I will see you in the next video. Peace, love, and joy to the flowers and the earth.